Well, updated COVID vaccines now expected to land in drugstores by the middle of next month. The CDC says the shots have been tweaked to teach the body how to fight the current variants that are circulating. This as the CDC tracks an uptick in cases. Eyewitness News reporter NJ Burkett is live in Midtown with what you need to know. NJ.
Well, two things people need to know. Number one, COVID-19 is staging a comeback here in New York. But number two, there's an entirely new vaccine that's on the way. Not a new booster, but an entirely new vaccine. President Biden said today there's a request before Congress to provide funding for it.
I see a lot of people coughing and sneezing now, and they don't have no mask on.
Michael Jackson says he's not taking any chances. Unlike many people, he started wearing a mask again.
I'm gonna try to protect myself best way possible. Not only protect myself, but protect my family also.
A new COVID-19 vaccine will be available in the coming weeks, engineered to combat most known strains of the virus. Dr. Waleed Javed is an infectious disease expert at Mount Sinai.
And we probably will see a little bit more cases going forward. I think the best case is to continue to make sure you're vaccinated, you have your up-to-date COVID vaccines, and take it from there.
After months of steady declines, COVID-19 is mounting a resurgence nationwide and here in New York City. 1 month ago, an average of 403 cases were reported every day. But by last week, the number had jumped to 723 daily cases, an increase of 79%. Hospitalizations are up 71%. Now, on average, nearly 50 people are hospitalized every day in New York, and 2 people die. It's a far cry from the public health crisis of 2020, when hundreds were dying every day in New York and the city was in lockdown. But the trend is undeniable. Michael says he remembers those days. Did you get COVID, Michael?
Yes, I had it.
And how was it when you got it?
It was terrible. It was terrible. It was terrible. It was terrible. I believe I'm still recovering from it.
Well, the good news is that 97% of Americans over the age of 16 have protected immunity from COVID-19, either from prior infection or vaccination or both. The not so good news is that immunity doesn't last forever. Vaccines are intended to be widely available by the end of September.